Hey, I'm Freya with WTI. I'm here to solve a problem for you. If you have a living room setup that is not ideal, this is a little battery pack from Blue Cactus, and this is for reclining furniture. This is going to save the day if you have a living room setup that is not close to an outlet, where you would have to run extension cords to plug in your reclining furniture. This is the baby that you need. This works really well with my friend's mobility chair and his reclining couch. The mobility chair is really important to have a backup battery pack like this because of possibly losing power. And I love that he'll have this now to where if he happens to be reclined during a power outage, he can still use the chair to lift him up out of it and go where he needs to. Even if you're not going to use this all the time, it's a really nice thing to have on hand to keep charged so that you're never stuck. We notice it touches really nicely underneath the furniture. Just make sure that you have the new connection. This is what a lot of the new power furniture connections look like. Oh, and it warns you. So you'll never be stuck not knowing that the battery is low. So this will solve a lot of problems for you if you have a weird living room layout or if you want to just keep it on hand in cases of emergency. And that's my point of view.